How to remove the autopay option in Netflix. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove the autopay option on Netflix. First, open the Netflix application on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Next, tap on My Netflix at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account's main menu. Now look at the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. This will open a menu with additional options. In this menu, tap on Account. This will take you to the account settings, where you can manage various aspects of your subscription. Now scroll down to the account settings until you find the option labeled Cancel Membership. Tap on this option to proceed. By canceling your membership, you effectively remove the autopay feature. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period, but you will not be charged again unless you restart your membership. And that's it. You've successfully removed the autopay option in Netflix. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.